Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the error VLC is unable to open the MRL in the VLC Media Player on Windows. First, we will take ownership of the file. Locate the video or media file that shows the error. Right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Security tab, then click on Advanced. At the top, you will see the Owner section. Click Change next to it. Type Administrator in the box and click Check Names. Once it is verified, click OK. Make sure the administrator account has full control enabled. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, try opening the file again in VLC. If the problem is still there, try moving the file to a different folder. For example, move it to your desktop or Documents folder. Sometimes files stored in restricted folders cannot be opened properly. You can also temporarily disable Windows Firewall to see if it is blocking access, especially if you are trying to open a network stream. Open Windows Security, go to Firewall and Network Protection, and turn it off for a short time. Test VLC again, then turn the firewall back on. If that does not fix the issue, uninstall VLC from Settings, then download and install the latest version from the official website. After following these steps, the MRL error should be resolved. Thanks for watching.